Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the screen lock security feature on a mobile device without doing a factory reset to it. Over the years, we've been contacted by hundreds of customers who have asked us to assist them, either usually because they themselves changed their password to something new and then forgot it and couldn't get in, or because their kid was playing with their phone and accidentally put a screen lock on it and they needed to get in and preserve all of the data, or a lot of times, unfortunately, someone will pass away and they won't leave the information for their phone about how to get in to any of their friends or family members. And so a lot of times for final arrangements or notification of friends or family members, they need to be able to access the data on their phone without doing a factory reset and wiping out all the data. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Verizon wireless Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. Kind of a mouthful there. But this is a device that does have the screen lock enabled here. As we can see here on the lock screen, if we go ahead and swipe up from the bottom on the notification panel, we will see that it is asking us for a numeric PIN code of 4 or more digits. Now, we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get the lock removed from this device without doing a factory reset to it. We've actually already done 99% of the work ahead of time in order to be able to keep the video as short as possible. So we should be able to see here that after we just go ahead and do one restart here, after that it should be able to boot up all the way, and we should be able to see that we do not have that lock enabled anymore while still retaining all of the information on the phone. As it still turns on here, I should let everyone know that this is something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect to your computer through the internet and do the exact same thing that we did right here, right now. So the device has restarted. The lock has now been removed, as you'll see here in just a second. And now, of course, there's no trickery here going on. You guys very clearly saw, we swiped it up, we saw the PIN number, and then all we did is a restart. There's no point here where I've entered in any hidden secret code or anything, so this is actually legitimate service. So again, we've got the notification panel here with all the notifications, and then if we swipe up, just like we did before, there we go. And so instead of seeing that PIN number, it just goes straight to the home screen, and we have full access to all the apps, the settings, the missed calls, the text messages, and everything else that would be on the phone. And you know that a factory reset wasn't performed because if it had, the phone would have gone back to the beginning screen that says start or welcome or let's go or whatever it says in this case to guide you through the initial setup steps, step by step. When this goes directly to the home screen, that's the indication that nothing on the phone has been erased or removed and all the data is still there. So if you need help getting the screen lock removed from one of these without doing a factory reset to it, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. Make sure to check out all the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find some in there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will also let you be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.